The Accounts page is where you can customize and personalize your TrueView setup. Here, you can add additional buckets to your checking and savings accounts. You can also rename your buckets to match the way you naturally think about your money. You can reorder your buckets so they appear in the order that makes the most sense to you. And you can also customize the colors of the buckets or your credit cards to make your setup easier to recognize visually. The goal is simply to organize your TrueView in a way that feels clear and natural for you. Everyone's finances are different, so TrueView is designed to be flexible. The more your TrueView reflects the way you naturally think about your money, the easier it becomes to clearly see how much money you have and what it's for.